Once upon a time, in the green forests of Fablewood, there lived a little fox named Felix. Felix had big, bright eyes and a fluffy tail that wagged at every adventure. One evening, as the sun set, Felix found himself wandering deeper into the forest than ever before. The trees whispered secrets, and the fireflies danced around him, lighting his way. Felix, feeling a sense of wonder, was eager to discover what lay beyond the familiar paths. He perked up at the sound of a soft melody weaving through the trees and decided to follow the sweet tune. Felix stumbled upon a moonlit clearing where he found a tiny fairy with wings shimmering like spun gold, nestled among the flowers. The fairy, Luna, greeted Felix warmly. Felix admitted shyly that he had been drawn to Luna's beautiful song. Luna chuckled softly, her laughter tinkling like chimes in the breeze. She asked Felix what he sought. Felix pondered for a moment before admitting that he sought adventure and the discovery of the world's wonders. Luna, understanding Felix's adventurous spirit, transformed the clearing into a magical realm of twinkling stars and mystical creatures. Felix gasped in awe at the wonders before him, realizing that adventure was right here, in the company of a dear friend and the magic of the world around him. As dawn arrived, Felix bid Luna farewell, carrying the memory of their enchanted evening forever. He returned home, his spirit brimming with newfound joy and wonder at the beauty of the world. As he settled in his cozy den, he knew he would always cherish the night he met Luna. So, dear friends, may your dreams be filled with the magic of Fablewood and the enchanting tales of Felix and Luna, reminding us all that the greatest wonders are often closer than we think.